Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use GhostBot v7. First, you will need to download the official GhostBot v7 package from the designated source. Once downloaded, proceed with the installation process, which typically takes less than 5 minutes. After installation, connect your account by entering your unique authentication token into the bot's interface. Finally, access the intuitive dashboard to configure your initial settings, ensuring a smooth start to your bot experience. Now, let's explore the core functions and commands of GhostBot v7. To begin, type help into the command line to view a complete list of available commands and their descriptions. You can then execute basic tasks, such as retrieving specific data or initiating automated processes using straightforward commands. Pay close attention to the bot's response format, which is designed for clarity and quick understanding, helping you interpret results effectively. Moving on to advanced customization, GhostBot v7 offers powerful options. You can tailor automated workflows precisely to your needs by navigating to the Advanced Settings panel. Here, you can set up intricate conditional triggers, allowing the bot to perform specific actions or generate responses only when certain criteria are met. Furthermore, the bot supports seamless integration with various external services through its robust API interface, expanding its capabilities significantly. Finally, let's cover troubleshooting and best practices for GhostBot v7. If you encounter any issues, always consult the official documentation first. It contains solutions for over 90% of common problems. Remember to regularly update your bot to the latest version to benefit from new features, performance enhancements, and critical bug fixes. For additional support and to share insights, join the active community forum, where you can find peer assistance and expert advice.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.